Ready to grow the best beard of your life? This is the only video that you need to watch to grow a nice, healthy, full beard. What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about beard care. So I'm going to share with you the 8 steps that you need to go from a baby face to a beard legend in no time. So the number 1 step is you've got to stop shaving. If you want to grow a beard, you have to stop shaving regularly and you need to let your beard grow out. So break away from the razor and let your beard grow. Let at least have about 6 to 8 weeks of beard growth. At the end of the day, your beard growth is only dependent on 2 factors. One is your age, the other is genetics. Age, if you're anywhere between the age of 20, like you're in the teens and you're about like below 30, please stop stressing about having a full beard. It is going to grow out eventually, but you have to be patient and wait for the right time. Some people start growing early, some people start growing out a little bit, little later in their lives. Like I started having a beard, I think at the age of 21. So before that, you should not worry. Please do not use these silly beard growth products that are being marketed to you. It eventually happens, you just have to be patient. The second step that is very necessary is your genetics. If your parents, if your father, if your grandfather didn't have a full beard, there are very high chances that you might never have a full beard as well. So my friend, these are the hard facts that genetics are really a big factor that come into play for a beard growth. So number 2 is give your beard some time to grow. You know, many of us give up on the dream of growing a beard within the first month or a few weeks of starting to grow it because we feel itchy or we feel uncomfortable with the fact that we look very ungroomed. But if you want to grow a beard, you have to give it some time. I would say if you are growing at an average of half an inch in a month, you have to give it at least 2 to 4 months to get a proper thick full beard going. Now, you know, while you're starting to grow your beard, you might see that you have a patchy one, but unfortunately or fortunately, everybody has a different and unique beard. So you must embrace what you've got and not get demotivated by the fact that you don't have a full grown beard. And if you've got a patch, you can cover it up uniquely and you can cover it up in a very creative way. I've made a detailed video for you guys who has a patchy beard. I had one too in the past, you know. So I think what really makes a difference is that how creatively you work with your own beard and you accept and embrace what you've got. You can check out the video that I made on patchy beards on a link here or in the description below. Alright, so number 3 is you've got to set the edges of your beard. So when you're growing your beard, of course it looks a little untidy because the hair is just all over the place. So what you can do to make your beard growth journey more confident and comfortable is start shaping the edges, right? So which means your sideburns here, your cheek lines, your nose lines here, your side lines and your beard neckline. These are very important. So this is basically going to keep your beard outlines neat and clean. Number 4. You have to give your beard the right kind of products. Basically, you need to give it the right nutrition that it needs. So what I'm suggesting here is after you've grown about at least half an inch, that means more than a month or month and a half's growth, you need to have a proper wash in place. So this is your first product, that's your hair and beard wash and conditioner. Then second product that you need after your wash is hair and beard serum. This is your second product, hair and beard serum, and after you've you've used a blow dryer, straightened your beard out, the last and final product that you need is a multi-utility balm. So these are the 3 products. I think this is something that you can use after you have about an inch or more of a growth, not before that. But yeah, these are the 3 products that you need and I recommend. So it's really important to have the right set of tools with you. Number 5 is you have to shape and trim your beard. Now you've got about month, 2 months of growth. So you have to put it in the right shape according to the shape of your face. So if you have different, of course we are divided into different shapes of our faces. So it's really important that we trim it according to the shape and the beard that suits with it. I made a detailed video on this. So if you want to check that out, you can again click on the link here or in the description below. You will find the detailed video about how you can choose the right beard style for your shape of face. Number 6. Find a good beard barber. Alright, it's really important that you have the right guy who is helping you and recommending you the right shape and size of your beard, and of course is helping you style it as well. So I go for a beard trim depending on the length of the beard that I have. But I found the right guy in every city that I go to. The first thing that I do is always find the right barber who's gonna help me shape and groom my beard. So find your guy, tell him what you want, and then start working with the same guy over a long period of time, so he knows what you want the next time you go to him. So number 7 is you have to straighten the curls or straighten your beard, because after you grow it more than 1 inch, 1.5, 2 inches in length, then the beard starts to curl around. So you have to make sure that you straighten it out. So there is a particular way that you can use a hairdryer in combination with a brush after you've used a beard serum, so that you don't damage your hair. I've made a detailed video on this as well. You can check it out in the link here or the description below. So this will help you remove the curls from your beard. And finally, the 8th step, when in doubt, ask me. I'm always here. You can DM me on my Instagram, or you can write a comment below, and I'm always here available. I answer all my comments and I make sure that I reply to each one of you. So if you have any questions, any doubts in growing a beard, you're attempting a new beard style, you want to ask me any questions about the kind of nutrition that you have to give, the kind of products that you have to use, I'm always here. Please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you out with it. Alright, so here's the bonus tip now that you watched the video all the way to the end. So one of the biggest recommendations and requests to you guys would be not to use or consume any of these beard growth products. I think it's a fad. They're trying to cash in on your insecurities. Some new beardsmen and friends of mine who are now trying to grow a beard. But what you have is what you need to embrace. So don't fall for these picky traps of beard growth products. Nothing can help you grow a beard if you don't genetically have one. Embrace what you've got. I always say this, it's fine, it doesn't matter. You've got a unique beard, make sure that you embrace it and look cool with it. Everybody's got something to show, and so you've got to embrace. Don't use these products. It's a big request from my side. Alright, so this was the number 5 video in the personal care series that I've been talking about. So I spoke about, started with mental care, then I moved to physical care, then skin care, then it was hair care, and now this is beard care. There are 2 more videos to go in this series. Do check it out next week, Thursday, 9:15 a.m. It's going to be live on my channel. I want to thank you for all your support. Do hit the like button on this video, and do share with your friends who are trying to grow a beard. I think this video can be helpful for them and make their journey more easier and smoother. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week. Until then, remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.